Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we are on a really small repair job on a big industrial unit. It's like a truck's just hit this wall. All we need to do today is just rebuild the wall like for like, just like that one there. It shouldn't take too long. We've been hunting around for like the last 18 minutes for water and power, and it's not going very well, so we're just going to see if anyone turns up on this Saturday morning. And if not, we can at least do a tiny bit of prep work to get all the tubes out for this wall. Wow. Gonna be loads. Like an absolute G. Driving to Jewsons in hopes that I can just get some water from them. Fingers crossed. I've got great charm and great chat. Some water from down the road, and yeah, we'll catch up in a little bit. Wow, this is the first, isn't it? Filling up the back of the van with water. Fingers crossed I don't spill half of it. Right, well, wish me luck. Oh, that's not that bad. I was able to fill up that one as well. That's definitely enough water for that many bricks in it. So we've finally got back after going to Jewsons. We've got some water. We have got some compo. No mixer today because we've got no power, so Jake's had to put in a little hand mix. Tubed fully out, so that's all decent. Exposed the previous footing just here. So all it is just a case of following the existing wall. Really nice, it's plumb, which is banging, so I can actually just build this corner, build it all through. Shouldn't actually take too long. It's like 9:25. So I'm just going to start racking this up while Jake tidies up, loads out a few bricks. Nothing too major, so we're going to get stuck in and hopefully, we'll be gone by 11:30.
These days the night shift cutie at the truck stop knows my name. Through the candle in the midnight oil lit up the honky-tonk highway. I see the sun come up, cause I ain't been to bed. Gonna have my name cut into a stone when I'm late.
So we've got our first 5 courses on the wall. We're just about to put our ties in. I know it's like a 9-inch wall, but you may as well just put ties in. I've got them in the van. So I don't know if you saw on the time lapse, but what I kept doing is like crouching right down and eyeing these bed joints in. Now, luckily for me, this wall is actually bang on level, which is a bonus. But sometimes when you're toothing into an existing wall, ever so slightly, it could be running up, could be running down, and sometimes you just need your brickwork to marry in. So if this wall was running up, I would pull my wall up ever so slightly so it looked right by the eye. Sometimes it's right to be wrong, but in this case everything's bang on level, so we're just bringing it round really nicely. We've only got to go to this height here, so it's only another 6-7 courses, and then we've just got our brick on edge detail, so it shouldn't take too long. It's going really well. There's not too much to report us, so it's all going absolutely swimmingly. Don't know what the bubble says. What's the bubble say? We're not bad. We're not bad, and we're ranging through beautifully. How's he do it? Seems silly to bring him here as well.
Yeah.
There's not much for you, is there?
No.
Well, there is. Cameraman. Oh, beautiful. not much laying for you today, I do apologise.
No, it's
in all
alright.
fairness, blues are right before let's lay anyway.
Are they?
The first time I laid blues, I built a wall. I'd take it down 3 times. They just they sink a lot and
Oh dear.
they smear a lot.
Yeah.
And because they're square, they show every imperfection.
Yeah.
Luckily, I'm an expert. That's the one. Check it there. Then we check it for plug here. And then we'll range it through. It's not bad either. Ooh, that is stiff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. Proper job. The compo now
Yeah.
is that it makes everything else below when I sink,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
which, you know, I guess I asked for it all. Not looking good, bruv. Not looking good, bruv. Ah, the bricks are a little bit banana. Come here. As you can see this on me. Come. Right, let me put my level straight. Right, you see the little rocky rock?
Yeah.
That's sound. It couldn't be me. To help me cover up, and now it just seems like such a silly thing that I didn't do it.
My hand out.
Perfect. Wall is up to height. We've copied everything like for like, so even this header that goes straight through here, we've copied that. We've got our coping stone, which finishes off the wall. It's not very pretty, but again, building everything like for like. So all we need to do is just lay this bang on there, run through, oh dear, a course of brick on edge, and then we are out of here. So absolutely buzzing. The compo is extremely wet. You can see kind of all the blues bleeding out a little. So it might take a little bit of time to do that, but no panic whatsoever. It's gross. Level. Now
iPhone 15.
oh, so. Oh, the compo shit. Oh no, it's banged on now. Must be a fan, Nick.
Is it harder to lay brick on edge? Or is
Yeah,
it
a
just,
little bit.
just similar?
It's you follow the line,
Yeah.
like bricklaying,
Yeah.
but then you just need to make sure like you're keeping it level across the top.
Yeah.
So level across the top, and then also if you really want to be particular, you kind of want to make sure it's plumb that way. So if you look at the bubble,
Yeah.
you see how the brick is actually leaning that way ever
Yeah.
so slightly.
Yeah.
So all you've got to do is tap the
Bottom. Yeah.
but again it's very much by eye.
Yeah.
So it's not too hard, it's just a faff sometimes.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the details I've not done too much of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just normally do different sort of details.
Mm.
And then again with brick on edge, it's 3 bricks
Yeah.
to 1 brick.
Okay.
So 1, 2,
Yeah.
3. There's a brick there.
Yeah.
So most of the time you can keep gauge by
Yeah.
doing that.
Uh-huh.
And then if you wanted to as well, tape measure. So 525 is gauge.
Yeah.
525 is gauge. So ideally, shit now, I need to open up like big time.
Yeah.
So obviously I've gone quite tight already, just because I was trying to keep to that.
Yeah.
So that's why I should check it with the tape measure.
Yeah.
They were hard.
The ones where you're on the scaffold.
Yes.
Yeah.
They were. Nice. I'll check it with tape again.
Mhm.
375 is gauge, and I am 405. Got a lot of closing up to do. but it just looks like it's always been. £12. So sorry, we're 50 minutes late. Finished the wall. Really nice, easy Saturday morning. Took ages to go find water, but big shout out to Jewsons. Yeah, the wall came out really nice. Like I say, it's only a really small wall, so there wasn't much to do. Got the little capping stone on, brick on edge done, pointed it all up, polished it up with some, what did I polish it up with? Insulation. Polished it up with some insulation just to get some of the stains off. The pointer was a little bit wet, but perseverance, taking our time, lovely job. So that's where we're leaving it. So thank you very much for watching this one. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my weekend, and I'll catch you guys later.